Hello and happy Friday. It is Freebie Friday time. It's for 8/13/21 and that's the dog shaking. It's my birthday. So yay. All right, so for this week I did a layered pocket and some ephemera, some ocean sea images, and then some labels. The reason I did this is because my new kit coming out, the video will be out Sunday, is an ocean theme. So let me just show you a couple pages as a sneak peek. So here's one, my frame. And this is one of my favorite pages. I loved this image of the octopus. The reason I wanted to do, let me see if I have it here. The reason I wanted to do an ocean kit, no I don't, was because of Tim Holtz. He has an ocean stamp set with an octopus that's so cool. So anyway, yeah, so let me show you another page just for fun with a different color. Here's this one with some fish and some coral. So yeah, so come on back on Sunday and you can see a full flip through of the kit. All right, so today, this is the page, and what I've done so far off camera is I cut out the pieces of the layered tag. I scored them and I inked the edges. When you cut the corners, you might have to kind of make sure, because I noticed with mine I had to make sure that my corner was cut off a little bit so that so there wasn't too much bulk in the corner. I don't know if I'm making sense. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue this on. And the fun thing about this is you wouldn't have to use it as a layered tag. You could just have a separate tag. This could be a pocket, or you could do it this way or this way. It's kind of fun that there's options with just the one page. All right, I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue. And stick this on the tag. Finish it down a little bit. There we go. And I'll do the same at this one. There we go. All right. So then I could, let me show you what I did over here. So then once I had it together, I just put a piece of coffee dyed paper and one of the labels, and then I could stamp or write something on there. And then the other thing I did is I took, this is a tag, also that my favorite octopus. It's a tag from the journal kit, and to make it fit, I cut off some of the bottom of the tag so that it would slide in my pocket like that. And then I cut out the ephemera, inked the edges, and I'm just gonna stick that in here. And then I had this itty bitty envelope, and I put my other labels in the envelope, and I'm gonna tuck that in here like that. So So that is my layered tag. And then the other thing I did off camera is I punched out the circles with the different sea images. And I just recently bought some crystal glaze and I added some glaze. It's still a little bit wet. And then I remembered in one of the Love from Lizzie kits back however long ago that was, there was some sand. So I sprinkled some sand on top of the glaze to give it kind of an oceany look. And the starfish, can you see? That one's my favorite. Super cool. So I'm gonna let those dry. But I figured I'll do the crab with the sand to kind of show you what I did. But I need a scrap piece of paper since I don't have my media mat right now. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this. Give it kind of a glossy embossed look. Ah. And then I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of the sand. Glitter would be cool too. Little sand. There we go. Make it look like it was washed up on the beach. And then, I'm gonna do this one, but I might not add sand to this guy. Let's see. We'll see. Whoa, that was a big squirt. All right, oops, I got a bubble. There we go, I just made another bubble. Ah, okay. Yeah, what the heck, let's add a little sand. There we go. Just give it a fun, little different texture. All right, so I'll set these aside to dry and I try not to put my fingers in them. Let's see if, yeah, see, these aren't totally dry yet either. All right, so I'm gonna let these dry and I will be back because I wanna make a little, excuse me, a little dangle to go on my tag. So I'll be back. Okay, my little circles are dry. I have sand going everywhere, but here is the little starfish with the sand and the fun, what was it called? The crystal drops. Looks cute. And then these, I added an eyelet, and then maybe you could add a chain and then attach it to a tag or something. And then here's this one with a bullpen. And then I was gonna do this one. I also added sand to this one. And we'll add a pin to this guy, maybe up here at the top. And then these will be ready to go for my journal. There we go. Pretty cute. And so then we have a little dangly to attach to ephemera or something. And then for this starfish, I thought it'd be fun just to add it to the layered pocket. I was thinking maybe take a scrap coffee dyed paper. Maybe layer that on. Yeah, oh, there's my glue right in front of me. Oops. And then these will also be ready for my journal. Ooh, I like that side. we go. Okay. Come on back on Sunday so you can see the full ocean kit. And I will be starting a project with the ocean kit as well. I'm excited to give it a shot and start working with it. Here is the download again. If you would like it, make sure you go to Cara, Brandon, and Friends. Come back on Sunday to see the full kit, and I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Alrighty, see you soon. Bye-bye.